Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your browser and navigating to Google's account creation page. This gets you straight into the form. Enter your name, pick a username, and choose a secure password now so you don't interrupt the flow. Once done, add a recovery email or phone. That helps if you get locked out. Make sure to review the suggestions for username availability and password strength, because a good choice saves time later and protects your new account. Next, you fill in the remaining profile details like birth date and optional gender, which tailor age-based settings and security defaults. Then request the verification code to your phone or recovery email. Pause and enter that code exactly as received, because this step confirms your identity. After verification, go through privacy and personalization prompts. Choose what data Google links to your account. Once you make selections, double-check account recovery info. Accurate recovery details prevent future access headaches. To finish, read the terms briefly and accept them so Google can create your account. This triggers final setup. You should sign in right away to confirm everything works and to sync basic settings with the browser. If you hit issues, try common fixes. Clear your browser cache and cookies, use an incognito window, or request a fresh verification code. Patience helps, as SMS or email can be delayed. If problems persist, try a different phone number or recovery email and repeat verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.